this. Through. That works. Just like that. So that's going to go there. So how big is that? Almost halfway. Not quite. There we go. Nice, tight fit. Well, this is a lot easier. It was. There we go. One hole. Six inches. Let's see what happens. Well, part of the way there. Washer nut.
Would it work to
Right there.
put a drill or something on it and just spin the drill?
decent amount of friction on that. That's a good thing. So there you have it. The scroll saw is functioning. Is it perfect? No, there are a few more things I want to do on it. And if you want to see more of my thoughts about why I did this particular wooden wheel or things that I need to do in the future, I'll leave a link to my second channel down below and up in the cards. In that, I go into a lot more detail where I actually talk through the steps and talk through what am I doing, why am I doing it, and things that I'm going to be doing in the future. There's a lot more I want to do to this, but I wanted to get it up and functioning so that I can do a couple upcoming projects. So I'm looking forward to using this in the shop and having a little bit more fun with it. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments down below. If you see something you thought, why did you do it that way? Go ahead and leave me a comment down there or check on my second channel. I probably answered it in the other video. If you do want to see more on this build, I have a couple other videos on what I've done so far into it and getting this up and running and the other items that I had to put together to make this frame actually work. I'll leave a link to those down below as well. So if you did like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That really does help out the channel. And I think that's about it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. So does this now mean that I have a power tool shop? Because you know I am a machine.